Okay, find the value of the real numbers p and q. So these are real, okay, coefficients are real. If 1 plus 2i is a root of the equation, find the other roots of the equation. Well, because these are real, these would come in pairs, okay? So 1 plus 2i and 1 minus 2i are the two roots. So there's two roots. There's another root that I don't know yet, okay? So I'm going to long divide the combination of these two in. So I'm going to create the quadratic, okay? So it's z squared minus sum of roots z plus product of roots. Okay, so it's z squared. So if I add these two together, I get 2z. And if I multiply them together, I get 1 minus 2i plus 2i minus 4i squared. That becomes 5. Okay, so this is it when they're multiplied together. So I'm going to long divide z cubed pz squared plus qz plus 35 equals 0. I'm going to divide that by z squared minus 2z plus 5. Z squared and z cubed goes z times, so you're left with z. Multiply z by z squared, z cubed, z by minus 2z minus 2z squared, z by 5 plus 5z. Okay, then you need to change the signs here. Minus, plus, minus, and you get pz squared plus 2z squared. So I'm going to do that over here. So pz squared plus 2z squared. So if you take the z squared out, you're left with p plus 2. So you're left with p plus 2 z squared. What would you get here? You get qz minus 5z. If you take z out, you're left with q minus 5. So that's plus q minus 5z. Bring down to 35. Okay, so you have to do it again. So I'm going to divide z squared into this. Okay, so you get p plus 2. So you're going to multiply p plus 2 by z squared, you get p plus 2 z squared. P plus 2 by minus 2, so you get minus, sorry, that is a minus 2 times p plus 2 z plus this multiplied by 5, so you get 5 times p plus 2. So I'm going to change the signs. So now I'm going to cancel these out. Okay, so what does this become? Well, what we have is q minus 5z plus 2 times p plus 2z. That should be equal to 0 because that should cancel out. And what have we here? We have 35 minus 5 times p plus 2. That should be equal to 0 also. Okay, I think I could be able to find p from here. So it's 35 minus 5p minus 10 equals to 0. Bring the 5p over here. It's equal to 35. So p is equal to 5. So I found my value for p. Now I'm going to look at the other equation now. First thing I could do is divide across by z. I get q minus 5 plus multiplying the 2p plus 4 equals to 0. I know p to be 5, so q minus 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 4. So q will be equal to, if you bring everything to this side, so that's, well, if you add these first, you have 10, 14, you have 9. So if you bring it all over, you get minus 9. So there's my value for q. So my other root then, okay, so to finish the sum, my other root comes from here. It says z plus p plus 2. So that's a factor. So I'm going to substitute 5 in. So it's z plus 7. I'm going to equal that to 0. So z must be equal to minus 7. So my three roots then, to summarize, my three roots are 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so to find the other roots.